How to recover X or Twitter account without username. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Go to your browser and then search for recovery mode. If you cannot find it, go to Twitter recovery and go over here and as you can see, you can also use your email or your phone number associated with your account to recover your account. You don't necessarily need your username. You can either use your account email number or your phone number linked with your account, and you will be able to recover your account in no time. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.